Okay. And we are on again. Another year, another edition of Hi Masterclass. Hi, everyone. Welcome to our Hi Masterclass number 43, the first Hi Masterclass of the year 2025. And yeah, we have a familiar face here with us. It's her second Hi Masterclass that she's making. Sofia Freitas is here with us today, and she is here to talk about the future of HTML, some trends and tips, and also we are going to cover AI on this Hi Masterclass. And before I start presenting this Hi Masterclass and Sofia starts presenting this Hi Masterclass, hi Sofia, how are you?
Hi, João. Welcome, everyone. I'm Sofia. Thank you for joining us today as we dive into the future of HTML.
That's right. That's right. We are ready for it. But before we start, let me show you this next slide. Um, Sophia has wrote an article about this topic. Um, you can check it on the bottom of your screen on the description of this video. You can check the article that she wrote. It's like a full guide.
João, I have a slide for that.
Yeah, yeah,
Don't worry, don't worry. I'll talk about it.
okay. No problem, no
it's my
problem
next.
at all.
It's my
But
next slide.
okay. She is going to talk about it, but
Okay.
before she talks about it, and she talks about her article and the rest of this presentation. For the ones at home that are watching, please drop us a like, subscribe to our YouTube channel. We would appreciate that, and stay tuned for another content like this that we have prepared for you in the near future. So without further to add, Sophia, let's
Let's
present this.
start.
Let's start this.
Okay. So I've said before, this will be a brief presentation just to give you an overview of this topic. If you want a more in-depth explanation, go to our website's blog and read the full article of this masterclass number 43. So, moving on. The good news for all of us is that we don't need to worry about the future of web development. HTML is evolving to meet the needs of today's web with new tools, innovations, best practices. So we can rest assured. What makes HTML so special is not just its past, it's also its future. And the future is exciting. So we are going to explore where HTML is heading, how ARIA attributes are a game changer for accessibility, and how artificial intelligence is transforming the way we build inclusive, dynamic experiences in the web. So, why HTML? HTML is the foundation of the web, and its evolution has made it more versatile than ever, from supporting responsive design to enhancing web accessibility. We are also talking about websites that feel more like apps with offline capabilities, push notifications, and personalized content. As we move into the future, HTML6 promises exciting new features. This evolution means more power for us developers and more accessibility for users across a big range of devices. Accessibility is key for modern web development and is critical for inclusivity in the web. HTML5 give us the tools for that. whether it's a blind user or a user with low vision or just anybody navigating with keyboards. Accessibility features like semantic HTML, ARIA attributes can significantly improve the user experience for everyone. It's not just about compliance, it's also about building a web that works for all of us. So let's explore what ARIA attributes are. They are the key to accessibility on dynamic sites, ensuring that assistive technologies can interpret and interact with your content effectively. Let's look at a few area attributes that you will want to use in your projects very, very easily. For example, we have area label. Area label helps describe elements without visible labels. We have Area Live. Area Live lets you manage how screen readers announce live updates, for example, notifications. Um, and Area Expanded, for another example. Uh, Area Expanded, it's used for collapsible elements like accordions or drop downs. These attributes are simple to implement, and they make a huge difference in development and in accessibility. I leave you with a bunch of them for you to investigate further. Area label, area required, area roles, area controls, area hidden. There's a lot of them. I have prepared an example in the browser so that we can hear a screen reader. Is a different experience for us. I have installed the JAWS screen reader on my PC. So let's take a look at the Area Live example.
ARIA Live example. Update polite message button to activate. Press enter. Polite updated. Please listen for this message. Update assertive message button to activate. Press enter. Assertive updated. This will interrupt current speech output. Update polite message button to activate. Press enter. Polite updated. Please listen for this message. Update assertive message button to activate. Press enter. Assertive updated. This will interrupt current speech output.
So, as you could hear, the tone of polite and assertive is the same. What changes is the priority and timing of the interruption. In polite, the screen reader will wait until it finished its current task before announcing the new change. It doesn't interrupt. In assertive, the screen reader will interrupt its current task to announce the new content immediately. It grabs the user attention more urgently. You can see here a Area Live example coded. As we move forward, developers should embrace these key trends. For example, use semantic HTML elements like header, footer, section, article, etc., to improve both SEO and accessibility. Concerning responsive design, the picture element allows you to define multiple sources for an image, letting the browser choose the most appropriate one based on device characteristics, for example, screen size and resolution. This improves performance, especially on mobile. Additionally, we have elements like dialogue, which provides a native way to create model pop-ups without relying on external JavaScript libraries. Here's an example of the output tag in a form. HTML forms are becoming more and more powerful these days with features like form validation, custom validation message, native inputs. Like we have new inputs like date, email, telephone, color, range, for example, and new attributes, required, placeholder, autofocus, min, max, and so on. Performance and accessibility go hand in hand. By using native lazy loading for images and iframes, we can improve our site's performance by only loading content when it's needed. Also, HTML now supports internationalization better than ever, making it easier to build websites, multilingual websites that are accessible for everyone. This is the example, coded example of loading lazy. You have to put the loading attribute, type lazy. APIs. HTML has made it easier to add functionality to the web through APIs without the need for more plugins. We have now, it's so much easier now to develop discussion boards, drag and drop tools, wikis, chats, and the like. As for AI, artificial intelligence, it's going to play a huge role in shaping the future of HTML. Imagine a website that can automatically adjust layout, images, content to suit the user's preferences and device. Huge. Tools, we have new tools for us, AI-driven tools. For example, tools like VoiceFlow allow developers to easily create voice interfaces. We have also automated accessibility testing tools like Eggs and Wave. Very important. These tools help developers identify and fix accessibility issues quickly. We have also browser extensions that can emulate screen readers, for example. So AI is transforming web development by helping us write more and efficient code. Tools like GitHub's Copilot can suggest area attributes as you code, making it easier to build accessible components. Accessibility testing tools like Wave automatically scan your pages, identifying potential accessibility issues and offering suggestions. With AI on our side, accessibility is easier than ever. I leave you with the final thought. We need to reflect and address ethical challenges by developing regulations, because transparency, data privacy, and user manipulation require more attention. To sum up, HTML will continue to evolve, making the web more accessible, smarter, and user-centric. Embrace AI tools, accessibility best practices, and HTML advancements to build inclusive and high-performance websites.
Okay.
One last tip. Don't forget to leave comments in your codes. It helps you and others understand the purpose behind each section. Happy coding, and thanks for your time.
Okay, that's right. That's it for the first high masterclass of the year. And let me take your words, Sophia. Don't forget to comment your code, and don't forget to comment on this video if you have any type of question that you may had throughout all the presentation that Sophia has done. Me, Sophia, or anyone at High Interactive will be more than happy to answer all of your questions and doubts that you may have. And yeah, that's it for the future of HTML. I hope you really got everything that Sophia, the inputs that Sophia brought you here. Don't forget to check her article, as we said in the beginning. And yeah, if you stood by till the end, thank you all. Stay tuned for more high master classes to come. Thanks to Sophia for this great presentation. And yeah, see you on the next one.
Thank
Bye
you,
bye.
Joel,
Thank you.
for
Bye
inviting
bye.
me. Thank you all for
Yeah.
watching.
Bye bye.
Bye bye.